In this video, let's talk about how to fix email verification code not received. Now, if you're facing this issue, the first thing that you could try out is check other folders, including the spam as well as the promotional folder. So if you're currently using Gmail, head over to the hamburger menu on the top left and head over to the spam folder. If you're using other email service providers such as Outlook or Yahoo, you could also find a similar option called spam being displayed, and sometimes these emails should be received within the spam folder. Now, if you're having issues receiving the email within the spam folder as well, what you could do is on the search bar on the top, type in the name of the services, for example, Microsoft or Google, and then or you could also add in phrases like verification code. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're not being able to see the verification code. This is likely happening due to server-side issues. So in this situation, what you could do is either wait out a couple of minutes and then try to resend the code again. So that's the way on how you can do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.